A doctor's reminder worth hearing. A conversation with a physician friend once changed how I cook meat at home. He did not criticize meat itself. He simply pointed out a few habits many people repeat every day without thinking. Small habits that research has quietly warned about for years. The body processes nutrients differently with age. Mistake 5. Cooking meat at extremely high heat. When meat is grilled or fried at very high temperatures, certain compounds can form. Studies published in journals like Cancer Epidemiology Biomarkers and Prevention describe substances called heterocyclic amines. These compounds appear when proteins cook at very high heat for long periods. Mistake 4. Eating processed meats too often. Foods such as bacon, sausages, and deli meats are preserved with salt and other additives. The World Health Organization notes that frequent high consumption of processed meats may increase long-term health risks. Mistake 3. Ignoring portion size. According to nutrition guidance referenced by the Mayo Clinic, a moderate portion of cooked meat is roughly the size of a palm. Larger portions add extra saturated fat and calories that the body may not need daily. Mistake 2. Skipping vegetables with meat meals. Fiber-rich foods such as vegetables and whole grains support digestion and help balance heavy protein meals. Mistake 1. Storing meat improperly. The Centers for Disease Control explains that improper storage temperatures may allow bacteria to grow. Keeping raw meat refrigerated and cooking it thoroughly helps reduce food safety risks. Health responses vary between individuals. Meat itself can provide valuable nutrients including protein, iron, and vitamin 12 according to the National Institutes of Health. The key idea is preparation, balance, and moderation. Not every diet works the same for everyone. Consult a doctor before major dietary changes. After hearing those simple points, I did not stop eating meat. I just changed how often and how carefully I prepare it. Like the video if this helped. Small cooking changes can support better health.